Welcome to Smart Study ACCA. If you're watching this video, it means that you want to activate your offline recorded lectures to your computer. Now, these are the steps that you have to follow, and you cannot afford to skip any of these steps. The first step is that you'll receive an email from us, and your email is going to look like this, right? You'll have the link for your video lectures, you'll have the link for the tools, you'll have the validity of your lectures and the serial number. Right? You cannot play the lectures directly. You have to activate it first. So the first step will be to copy this link for the tools and then download it, right? Automatically, it can start download also, but if it doesn't start automatically, then you can right click and download. Once the download is completed, wherever the folder is, you can actually copy or cut it from there and then paste it somewhere where you have more space. I have downloaded already this folder in my C drive, which is over here. Now you can see that this is a zip folder. So what I'll do is I'll right click on this and then I'll extract here. Once I extract here, so the folder is going to look like this, F5 tools folder. Now the zip folder can be deleted and you can use the F5 tools folder. When you open the F5 tools folder, you are going to find these files except for week 1 file, which is the lecture, right? You are going to see the rest of them. Now, what are you going to do next? You will open your email once again. And in your email, if you can see the lectures folder, the video lectures folder is here. So now you're going to open this. And once you open it, you will see all the different lectures. Now, I have opened the lecture folder and the lecture folder is going to look like this. Now you can see that there are different lectures. This is for paper F5 again. But if you can see, the lectures are downloaded week by week. It can be lecture by lecture also, or it can be week by week also, depending on your subject. Now it's very tempting to download all the lectures at once, but please don't do it. Please do it lecture by lecture or week by week. So what are you going to do? You'll right click on this and then you'll click on download. Once it is downloaded, then again, whichever is the location, you are going to cut it from there and then put it in the tools folder once again. So I have already downloaded this and then I put it in the tools folder. This is the same tools folder that I downloaded before. So I'm putting everything inside the tools folder. Now the week 1 lecture is here. So we will right click on this and we'll click on extract. And now we'll have the extracted folder in here. Once you click on extract, now you'll have the extracted folder in here. Once you have the extracted folder in here, now you can delete the zip folder. Now, once you're done with this, after that, you can install the Klite codec, right? It's in here. If it is already installed in your computer, then maybe you will not need it. But if it is not, then you can install it, right? And after that, you can open the content browser. The content browser will be activating first, and after that, it will be working like your player for your lecture. So when you double click on your content browser, so what are you going to see next? This is how it's going to look like. You will click on internet activation and then you'll have this form. You will be provided with a serial number in your email address already. You'll have the serial number already in your email. You'll put that serial number in here. Make sure there are no spaces. Then you'll put your full name in here. You'll put your email address in here. Then you can put your phone number, your mobile phone number in here. Now, if you are in India, so you will get the OTP afterwards directly. But if you're not in India, you are going to get the OPT manually from us. Now, it should be a 10-digit phone number. If your phone number is less than 10 digit, then you are going to put zeros in the end to make it 10 digit. And you should not be putting any country code in here. It should be without the country code. Okay. Once you put your 10-digit phone number, then you will click on get OTP. When you click on get OTP, there will be a pop-up message on your screen that the OTP is sent to your phone, but it won't be sent to your phone. You can actually take it from us manually. And when you call us and we provide you with the OTP, you can put the OTP in here and then click on validate. You also need to put the rest of the information in here, like your postal address. Your postal address should not have any backslash or comma or dash or anything like that. You should be writing your city name here, state or province in here. The PIN, if you have any city PIN code number, you can put it. If you don't have it, you can put any other number, like any 5-digit number, like let's say 25,000. exam, let's say for example, you're sitting for December exam and it's December 2020, so you can write DEC space 20. Purchase from will be Smart Study, and then you can select how did you find about us, right? Okay. Once the OTP is validated, you will get a message to click on OK, and then you will click on activate, right? So once you activate, you will get a message that the content is successfully activated to your computer in here, and click on close. And then after that, you are going to close your lectures. I mean, the content browser. Okay. Now the content browser is closed. Now, whenever you want to see your lectures, you will double click on the content browser, and then you will be able to see the lectures inside. Now, whichever lecture is in this folder, you will be able to see it. Like for example, in this video, you can see that week 1 is inside. So when you open the content browser, you'll be seeing the week 1 videos inside your content browser. And of course, this is not the only video that you'll be watching. You have to download the other lectures also. So week 2, week 3, week 4, or lecture 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you'll keep on downloading them. Now, once you open the content browser, from inside is going to look like this. For example, you'll have the lectures, or for example, in this picture, if you can see, when you open your lectures, the video files will be available in here, right? So you can play the video files from here, and the PDFs of your class notes will be available inside these lectures. So the PDF lectures, you don't have to see it in the content browser. You can actually directly see it from these folders, which is your week 1 folder. Okay. Now, that's it. And once you are able to play the videos, please do let us know, because we are keeping a record of all the students who have successfully played their videos, right? If you need any help, in your email, we have provided you with a couple of numbers. You can contact on these numbers also in order to take help, right? So before you actually contact us, it's better to install TeamViewer in your laptop computer or your desktop computer, so that we can access your computer, and after that we can help you. Now, one last thing, none of these files need to be deleted. Don't consider it to be useless files. These are the system files, so please make sure you don't delete any file. If by mistake, if you delete any files, you will have the backup do not delete folder. You can unzip it and you will see all these files inside the backup folder also, right? Thank you very much, everyone. If you need any help, do let us know. Thank you.